Hi guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the most popular Chinese food, dumplings. Dumplings are called 饺子 in Chinese. They are eaten all year round, during important festivals, and at family reunions all over China. Particularly in northern China, people also eat dumplings on the Winter Solstice Festival. 饺子 generally consist of minced meat and finely chopped veggies wrapped into a piece of dough skin. Popular meat fillings include ground pork, beef, or chicken meat and shrimp. Finished 饺子 can be boiled, which is 水饺, steamed, 蒸饺, or pan-fried, 煎饺, and they are traditionally served with a black vinegar and sesame oil dip. Now it's time to make some dumplings. Let's get started. First thing first, prepare the filling. Now let's move on to the wrappers. Of course, nowadays we can buy dumpling skins, but we're going to show you how to make some. Next step is crucial, that is the wrapping part. Place a little less than a tablespoon of filling in the middle. There are several ways to do this, but the easiest way for first-timers is to pinch the dumpling skin in half at a point in the middle and then seal both sides. The last step is easy. Cook dumplings. Bring a large pot of water to boil and throw the dumplings in there. Serve the dumplings with soy sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, or other dipping sauce of your choice.